Grobwerke is a machinery company that transformed in the last year from an NC machine tool builder to a supplier of electromobility equipment. We produce lines for rotor and stator for the automotive industry, and therefore we have chosen Beckhoff as a preferred supplier for our control systems. We invented machines for the cell production, therefore we have again chosen Beckhoff as our supplier for electromobility components. We use HMI panels, we use control systems in the servo drives. What you see behind me is a stacking station where we produce cell stacks. We stack anode and cathode single sheets and have a separator in between, and with this machine we have a very fast sheet-to-sheet time of 0.25 seconds. In this application we have the servo drives of Beckhoff, we have also the HMI panel and the control system. Well, with the experience of the stator and rotor lines, where we used already Beckhoff for very fast cycle times, we again have chosen Beckhoff for this application. We are very satisfied with Beckhoff and also for the application team and the support of them. The advantage of the Beckhoff equipment is that we can achieve very fast cycle times. We have a high reliability in the equipment and we have a really good support of the application team.